UK tests 3 heavy uncrewed ground vehicles in first-time event. The United Kingdom recently tested 3 different heavy uncrewed ground vehicles, UGV, weighing over 5 tons, to evaluate speed, terrain, and communication system capabilities. Led by the Future Capability Group, FCG, from within Britain's procurement armed defence equipment and support, Elbit's Robotic Autonomous Sense and Strike, ROBUST, Milrem's Type X and Rheinmetall's Weasel vehicles all underwent stringent trials over 2 weeks at the British Army's Armoured Trials and Development Unit, ATDU, in Dorset, England, according to DNS. The tests are a step toward what could potentially be achieved on the battlefield with crewless vehicles in the next 10, 20, or 30 years, said Lieutenant Colonel James de St John-Pryce, commanding officer of a TDU. Elbit originally unveiled ROBUST at the Eurosatory Defense and Security Exhibition in June 2022, developed in partnership with the Israel Ministry of Defense Directorate of Defense Research and Development, DDR&D. The vehicle hosts a 30mm autonomous turret and features Elbit's Iron Fist active protection system, alongside fire control and mission management systems, according to the Israel MOD. The vehicle can also carry a capsule drone for reconnaissance missions. Elbit already supplies the British Army with a fleet of Watchkeeper tactical drones, used for intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition, and reconnaissance missions. Milrem describes Type X as a wingman for main battle tanks designed to support mechanized units. Firepower options include 25mm to 50mm autocannons, due to integration with a multi-canister launcher. The uncrewed vehicle, and also be equipped with U-Vision, Hero 120, and Hero 400 EC loitering munitions. A joint collaboration between Milrem and Kongsberg Defence saw Type X involved in live firing trials, using the Norwegian manufacturer's Protector remote turret in June 2022. Milrem has previously participated in British Army's uncrewed ground vehicle trails, including the 2018 edition of the Army Warfighting Experiment, where it put forward 4 Titan modular systems for assessment. Rheinmetall first showcased a Weasel Wingman autonomous ground vehicle concept at a USA in 2019. The vehicle is designed as a fully digitized version of the Weasel armored fighting vehicle, integrated with autonomous capabilities of the company's Mission Master UGV, and can be equipped with a common remotely operated weapon station to launch Javelin missiles. It was also put forward for the U.S. Army's Robotic Combat Vehicle Light (RCVL) program. Rheinmetall BAE Systems Land (RBSL) was contracted by the UK MOD to upgrade 148 Challenger 2 main battle tanks to a new Challenger under a £800 million deal in May 2021. Meanwhile, over in the US, the Army is also experimenting with ground robots and moving out with a new RCV rapid prototyping competition, with plans to spend $142 million in fiscal 2024 on that competition. Outlining RCV requirements are not publicly available. However, it is possible that some of these UK-aligned RCVs could be candidates too. Thanks for watching.